Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with essentials. Make sure the watch has enough charge and your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. Sign into iCloud so health and backups sync. This matters because settings and data migrate. Open the watch app and tap Start Pairing, then follow the camera alignment. Hold the watch in view until it pairs. Once paired, choose Restore from Backup if you want prior data. Otherwise, set up as new to configure cleanly. This gets you into the customization flow quickly. Once paired, you configure key features. Decide whether to install all compatible apps now or add them later to save storage. Make sure to set a passcode and enable Apple Pay and Emergency SOS. These protect your data and let you pay or call help instantly. Next, grant health permissions so workouts and heart data sync. Customize watch faces and complications to surface the info you need. Also fine-tune notifications so you only get alerts that matter, which keeps the watch useful rather than distracting. Finish by testing core functions. Place a call, send a message, use Siri, and start a workout to ensure sensors and connectivity work. Make sure the watch shows connected in the watch app and that health data appears on your iPhone. This confirms proper syncing. Keep the watch OS updated via Watch App General to get fixes and features. If things go wrong, restart the watch and phone first, if needed. Unpair and repair or reset network settings. These steps resolve most issues before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.